Wrapping a supercharged LSA and a tough Tremec 6-speed with aggressive Wilwood brakes and a fully upgraded chassis, this 69 Camaro is stylish, cool, unique, and most importantly, provides a whole lot of enjoyment. The beneficiary of a detailed ground-up restoration that was completed in the not-too-distant past, this storied Chevy wears a super solid body that's dressed in glossy black two-stage, both slick and deep. That polished pigment presents a decidedly sinister appearance thanks to choice blackout elements. Yet despite its heavily customized appearance, the car's trim and ornamentation remain a stylish mix of familiar attributes. Open the doors and you'll find a tastefully customized interior that wraps timeless style in a nice blend of comfort and convenience. Bolstered front buckets complement upgraded rear buckets that are split by deep cup holders. A wood-trimmed dash hangs upgraded gauges next to modern climate control and direct-fit audio. A leather-trimmed console plants a manual shifter between two more cup holders and upgraded accessory gauges. And the driver spins an attractive SS-branded steering wheel on a tilting column. Straight from Chevrolet, this Camaro's 6.2-liter LSA V8 twists 556 horsepower into 580 pound-feet of torque. That aluminum mill sends power through a Tremec 6-speed manual back to a Ford 9-inch with posi-traction. Well-built, fully detailed, and attention-grabbing in every way, this Camaro backs a lot of show with a whole lot of go. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.